Hi, I'm Abi Alvarado here with the University of Illinois Extension, and today we're going to be making fish tacos.
For your ingredients, you'll need 4 white fish fillets such as tilapia or flounder. If they're frozen, thaw them according to package directions. You'll need a half tablespoon of chili powder, a half tablespoon of cumin powder, 8 corn or flour tortillas, 1 cup of green cabbage, chopped or shredded, 1 small red onion sliced thin, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of cilantro minced. For preparation, first wash hands with soap and water. Gently rub produce under cool, running water and cut according to ingredient instructions. Then you will pat fish fillets dry with a clean towel. Rub chili powder and cumin onto both sides of the fillets. Wash your hands again after touching raw fish. Spray nonstick cooking spray onto a heated skillet and then add your fillets. Cook for 4 minutes to 5 minutes on one side and then flip the fish over. Cook that side for an additional 4 to 5 minutes. You'll know the fish is ready when internal temperatures reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit and can flake apart with a fork. Then cut your cooked fish into bite-sized pieces and set them aside. Top tortillas with cabbage and onion. Add cooked fish and top with lime juice and cilantro to taste.
And there you have it, quick and easy fish tacos.
Eat, move, save.